Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to make sure that you can keep your data updated by using the update form on your pages, preferably your detail pages. So let's have a look. In one of the previous videos or in another video we have created a detail page which shows detailed information of our project. But what if we want to update this information? Well, we can grab the update form, add it onto our column, and we can say, well, where's the data coming from? From this page. Say project, and what is the data that we want to be able to update? Well, in this case I would like to be able to update almost everything. So we are going to be able to update the name, description, start date, end date, status, and you know what, we can even update the user that this project belongs to. Press save, and here you go. An update form is immediately created. And we do need to make sure that it takes the data from this page. So let's see what it looks like right now if I open up and if I press compile on the page. Let's go back and let's pick project number 2. As you can see, project number 1 appears. That means that the filter on the page isn't correctly working just yet because we need to update our filter. So make sure that you select the update form, and instead of project ID equals project ID, we need to make sure that the project ID grabs the idea that we are using on our page. We have created this idea to, well, navigate our URL structure. This is the idea that we are going to need to use on the page for any detail page related things. So let's press this compile button again, going back, and I'm going to press another test project. And as you can see, it immediately gives us the option to update this item. So another test project 3, let's set the status to in progress, the start date to the 9th, and as a user I'm going to select myself as the main user. I'm going to send this, and then I'm going to refresh the page, and as you can see the start date changes, the status changes, and the title also changes. And if I go back to the home page, it also changed over there. So it immediately takes effect throughout our entire application. So now we know how to create and manage our application or our project data. So let's get into that CRUD system: creating, reading, updating, deleting.